cooks, I don't think there's anybody out there going to have a bigger stand mixer party than Amy Learns to Cook, right? Woo! I love stand mixers probably more than anybody on this earth, right? And we took a look at the Zacme stand mixer. This is an 8.4 mixer recently. It was so quiet and I love the way it operated. And now we have the opportunity to look at Zacme's entire line. We're going to be looking at the 7.4 quart and their 5.5 quart. So today we're going to get our first look. We're going to unbox these babies and we're going to put all three next to each other so you can see their entire line. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook mixer party. Okay, we tried out this Zacme stand mixer. This is the 8.4 quart. This has a really robust motor and it's really quiet. When we made the whipped cream, it mixed it up like crazy. It did a great job on the cookies and it actually did a fantastic job on the bread. I was able to get almost a window pane out of that. So that was unbelievable, right? I really am starting to love this mixer. So I ordered, they have this scraper paddle and it's marked on Amazon for the 7.4 quart. I ordered it because someone in my Facebook group said that they got it and it works on the 8.4 quart. So I ordered it knowing that we were going to be trying out the other two. So if it doesn't work with this one, I'll use it for the 7.4 quart, right? But we will try it on this one. So I really I want to take this opportunity to thank Zacme for allowing us to test this mixer out as well as the other two, right? I really like this mixer and I want to see what their other ones can do, right? So we are having a mixer party today because we're going to be unboxing both the 7.4 and the 5.5. We might fire them all up here on the counter to see how they all sound. So without further ado, which one do you want to do first?
The box on top.
I guess we're doing the 5.5. Let me grab it. Okay, cooks, so this is a 5.5 quart mixer from Zacme. So if you're a cook that mainly does cakes, cookies, and whipped cream and stuff like that, you might want a smaller mixer like this. It's easier to move around. They're lighter weight than big mixers. And if you only occasionally make bread, it might be a good choice for you. But if you also like to do those more robust jobs, you might want to have one of these and an 8 quart, right? Because these might be for your everyday kind of jobs. And then when you bring out the big guns, right, you can use the large mixer. So this has a rear mounted gear switch that makes it easier to get to instead of having to search around the side of the mixer while you're in the action, right? It has heating, cooling holes in the back instead of the front. I think we've had some problems with some mixers that the fan is in the front, so it would suck in the flour. So this is in the back, and it has LED lights. It's an 8-speed mixer. So this is going to be fun to have all three of these mixers together. This comes in a gray, and I believe this is a white. Don't quote me on that, but it's possible that this is a white. Here is the manual. Whoa. I love getting our first look at a mixer, huh? It is fun. Whoa. Okay. Here's all our parts. Here's some more parts. Make sure you get all of these off the side. I think I actually have the mixer upside down. Whoa! Whoa. Whoa. So here is the mixer. Are you guys ready?
I think we can tell what color is, Bobo.
1, 2, 3! 3! Woo! Okay, I love the color. It reminds me of my very first stand mixer. So it has a lever here where you lift the head on it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, okay. So here is our whisk, and this baby is all metal. We have a very metal dough hook. Look at that sucker. That thing is huge. We have a very metal paddle. Look at that. And we have a pouring shield. And we have a pouring shield. That's the cap that goes on the front. This thing is pretty sweet. So it has a little timer thing here. Whoa. It feels like it's a metal body mixer. Awesome. So this is a 5.5 quart. Now let's go get the 7. Okay, so this is a 7.4 quart, and one thing I noticed on here is, yes, this one does have a DC motor. The 5.5 quart has a DC motor, according to the Amazon listing. So this is why these mixers are so quiet, because I have used the DC motor mixers on another brand, but they only have brought that out in like 1 or 2 mixers, and they even stopped making that. So DC motors are way quieter than the other motors. So this is a 7.4 quart, and it has a 600 watts. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, this is a mixer party. Holy moly. Wow. Okay. I'm getting a little sneaky. I got a little sneak peek of it. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. This mixer is a beauty. It's black with gold trim. Whoa. Whoa. With gold trim or silver trim? You ready, boo?
Sure, why not?
1, 2, 3, 4! Whoa! This is a beauty! Holy moly, this is a beauty. It's got silver accents, and it has this silver accent in the front. Whoa. Whoa! It has big, huge metal tools like the 8 quart. Look at that! That thing is giant! Look at that dough hook! Whoa! That's stainless. All stainless. You don't have to worry about that chipping like the other one. we know. Whoa! Metal. Those are amazing. Here's our all metal base. This is all metal. This is an all metal mixer. Whoa. Whoa, and it does have an electronic poly countdown. This is pretty cool looking. So let me get all these mixers up here and let's plug them in. So we have all the mixers up here. This is the 8.4, the 7.4, and the 5.5. This is pretty amazing. So let's listen to these babies. So this is the 8.4. Quiet. That DC motor just purrs. Very, very quiet. We got the 7.4. Really quiet. Really, really quiet. There's very few mixers out there that are this quiet. Crazy. Now we got the 5.5. So this mixer reminds me of my first stand mixer. I had a Sunbeam, and even though it had the two paddles and the different, it wasn't planetary, it had the knob on the back like this. I really liked that. Because sometimes if I'm on this side of the mixer, I have to figure out how to find it here. Here, no matter what side you're on, you can get to this. Ooh, this is a little mighty. Mighty. So, cooks, we're going to have a lot of fun with these mixers. We're going to try out these two. This one, what's interesting is the motors are really quiet, and you can hear more of the, when the beater's going around, more than I hear on other mixers, mainly because the motor's quiet. So I'm interested in trying these two out. We're going to do that. Thank you for joining me on this mixer party. Thank you for Zacme for letting us test these mixers out, and we're getting ready to have a lot of fun. So, what's up? It's Wednesday. Thanks for joining me, cooks, and I hope you're having a great holiday season. 7.4, and this is the